Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can book an OSCE exam in the UK. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to google.com, and on the search node, we're going to search book OSCE exam. And then we're going to click here on the NMC OSCE Test of Competence 2021. After that, we're going to scroll down and you should see the available universities that provides an OSCE test, like the Oxford Brookes University, University of Northampton, Ulster University, Leeds Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust, and Northumbria University. So you have to choose one right here. For this video, let's say I'm going to choose University of Northampton. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then place University of Northampton on the initial search that we did earlier. And then after that, click on book your exam today. And then, as you can see, we can now choose an exam type. And then we can even choose a preferred date. Pick one that has an available space. And then click on search. After that, you should see all the available options. Simply click on book exam. Now, the next thing is 3 more steps. First is to check out on the basket, and then check out by putting in your personal details, including your title, first name, last name, date of birth, email address, telephone number, mobile number, and some other more. After that, agree to the terms and conditions, click on Pay Now, and for the last step, simply confirm your payment and your exam. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!